Email marketing for beginners in 2021. Now, no matter whether you're doing affiliate marketing, whether you're just doing internet marketing, maybe you're doing local business marketing, or maybe you've got an offline business where you get people's email addresses, and it's no good having them if you don't use them. So in this video, I'm going to look at email marketing for beginners. And firstly, what is email marketing? Well, it's where you collect people's emails. And I'm not talking about buying email lists where you spam people. That's illegal, and most people get pissed off and unsubscribe. Well, they never subscribe. Email marketing, really done properly, can be very lucrative. It's where you've collected people's email addresses, they've opted in, or they've given you permission. You might have a restaurant and they've given you business cards in a fishbowl so that you can update them on offers and things like that. But today they've given you permission then where you would manually, you or someone you would get to go and manually enter them into your database. Now, today I'm going to look at specifically email marketing for beginners for affiliate marketing, which is what I do. Now, there's several stages to it. You need to get an email marketing software. You need to have a way of collecting people's email addresses, and we can do that with a landing page or an opt-in page, and that would be linked to an email autoresponder. And in a moment, I'll cover some of those that I like. There are some landing pages or sales funnel software that do not have an autoresponder attached to it, and therefore you have to go and link up a third-party autoresponder to your landing page. Now, there's some other software, autoresponder software, which is a software that collects the email and then allows you to automatically send emails out. People give you permission to send emails out. If they don't want to continue to get them, there's an unsubscribe button, which they unsubscribe, and that's great. You don't have to worry about getting annoying emails. People can just click on a button and say, take me off the list, I don't want to receive it anymore. So I'm going to tie all those things together for you. Now, just to be clear, I'm not talking about sending email from your own private email account. With email marketing software, these servers are whitelisted so that you can send out hundreds of emails a day. Whereas if you were to try and do that from your own personal email address through Outlook or something like that, you would probably get blocked. You'd probably get blocked because they would think it's spam. Whereas with this specific email marketing software, you can send thousands of emails a day because they've been whitelisted, and they protect those servers. You try and send spam from it and you'll be blocked and banned forever. All right, so let's move on. And look, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon. That'll get you notified. And if you're coming back, if you've been here before, welcome back. Great to have you back on board. Now, I'm going to cover a couple of programs or softwares, but if you wait till the end, there's this new software out that was released late last year in 2020 by a couple of guys that have been leaders in software as far as email marketing and internet marketing, affiliate marketing. These guys have developed some big name software in the past. Now, if you wait till the end, I'm going to give you access to how you can get that for free. So if you wait till the end, watch the video till the end. I'll show you how you can get access to that software, which already has an autoresponder built in. It's an all-in-one platform. Now these softwares platforms, they sell ongoingly, monthly, from somewhere from $99 to over $300 a month, some of them. So you'll want to watch this because you won't want to miss out on that. Now, with email marketing, as I said earlier, I'm not talking about buying lists or sending spam emails. With with doing this correctly, we're going to build our list, our database. So it doesn't matter what platform you use, whether you use Facebook, whether you use YouTube, whether you use Twitter, whether you use TikTok. It doesn't matter what the platform is. Everything should have a link to your landing page to get information. Now, a good way to get people's email addresses is to use what we call a lead magnet. Now, a lead magnet could be a PDF, it could be a video, it could be a checklist, it could be a diet, many things like that. You're giving people something of value for them to give you your email address. And the other thing is, we want to build email addresses of targeted traffic. Now, let's say you're in the make money online niche. You wouldn't want to all of a sudden start, sending people on your database offers for diet or weight loss. Maybe some of them need it, but it's not what they've given you their email for. So you'll probably find they get pissed off and unsubscribe because they signed up for a particular offer in a particular niche. As long as you continue to send offers relevant to that niche, yes, you'll still get some that'll unsubscribe, but you won't get people bulk unsubscribing and being annoyed at you because you're trying to flog them a weight loss diet. Okay, so here's a couple of examples of landing pages. Now, you might think, well, where do you put the email address? Well, in this case, it's been proven because we test everything that if people click on this and then have to put their email address in, it's going to give them, you're going to get more people doing that than what you would if you had that box out the front of the opt-in. It's been tested. So it's just the software I use. Here's another example of a landing page giving something away. Get my 5-part affiliate marketing training course. Learn how to sell other people's proven products. And this is a video training course that I give away. And you can go to that link there if you want it, and I'll give you access to it. Another one is, again, discover how to create $100 a day, and I give away a free book here. Again, click on that link and that will take you to the opt-in page where you put in an email address. And here's another one. This is to get this software for a 30-day trial. Shows people how to get a 30-day trial rather than a 14-day trial. There's a little trick in doing that. So where do you get these? Yes, back here I made these videos and I just paid someone $5 to make these covers for me on a website called Fiverr. But if you don't have anything like this, where do you get something that you can give away for free? Well, go over to Google and do a search for free PLR websites. PLR stands for private label rights. Now, what they do is they give you the permission. Some of these you can get for free, others you might pay $3 or $4 for, and you can use them. Just read the rules around what you can do with them. Most of them will let you give them away, sell them, do whatever you like. I tend to like to go to Fiverr or go over to a website called Canva and just make a new cover for it so that it doesn't look the same as everyone else. And then you can put that, like I have here, whichever that one was, and you can upload that picture of the book in there. And then when they click on that, they put in an email address, and in your autoresponder, it's automatically set up that book is then sent to them because it's just a PDF file, okay? So here we are. I just clicked on the first one, free PLR downloads, and you can search by category. And there's another thing called MRR, which is master resale rights. Have a look at what you can do with the different products. So you can search by category. There's lots of them. I'll just go to ebooks, because that's what you're really interested in. Some of these you can get software to give away as your own. And some of as I said, some of the covers, the ebook covers look pretty average. If you were to do a nice, spend $5, or if you're good at that and you can't use, if you don't know how to use the editing software, you can go over to Canva, which is very, very easy to use, and you can create your own ebook cover. because if the cover's engaging, it will have people want it. And when people want it, they're prepared to put their email address in to get it. Okay, so I'm logged into Kartra, which is the sales funnel builder that I use. Now, I'll put a link below how you can get access to Kartra for 30 days for $1. You would have seen in the video a few minutes ago where I showed you how they often give a 14-day trial, but there's a little trick to how you can get that as a 30 days. So I'll put a link to that in the description below. Now, it's not about the number of subscribers you've got. It's the number of engaged subscribers and being focused. I delete lots of people from my subscriber list because there's a thing called deliverability, click-through rate, and I want my emails to be delivered. If you've got thousands and thousands of emails that people never open, the email addresses, they never open them, it's just going to affect your deliverability. Now, the other reason you want to use something like this is yes, you might have thousands of followers on Facebook, you might have hundreds of thousands of subscribers on YouTube, but who knows? You don't own them. Who knows when they might change their terms of service? So always get them off there as well and send them. Have that, YouTube. Have a link in your about page to your landing page. Every video, have a link to whatever it is you're talking about, but link it to a landing page where they'll give you their email address. So get people off those platforms into your email database, because you then own it. You control it. It's yours. Like Facebook could say tomorrow, I've changed it. You can only have 1,000 subscribers. And look, the other thing, you might have 5,000 followers on Facebook, but the way that algorithm works is they send out, you make a post, and they might send it to 100 people. Only 100 people see it. I've just used that number arbitrarily. 100 people see it, and then if it gets a good open rate, they might send it out to some more. But just because you've got 5,000 followers, it doesn't get sent to 5,000 people. Whereas when you've got your own email database, yes, you'll get a few that are undeliverables, but it will send it out to however many people you've got in your database. So I just clicked on a new page, and I'll go over here, and there's a lot of templates you can use that make it really, really easy for you when that loads. All right, so here I just go to communications. I'll show you what a sequence looks like. You can set up a sequence and to go for 30 days. You can send out daily emails for a year if you want to. And then when that sequence finishes, then you can do broadcasts. So like you might have a new offer you want to send to someone or to people that are in the same niche that your list is. And as you can see, I've got different lists. So you can create lists for different things. Like I've got that video training sequence, they go to one list. I've got people that go to the training program, that goes to another list. And so you can segment them, you can add tags, you can automate them. And I won't go into that, that's for another video. And you've got analytics, you can go and see who's opened them, how many people have clicked through on the links, all those sorts of things. It's really, really powerful software. As I said, there'll be a link down below how you can get a 30-day trial of this for $1. And then if you wait till the end, I'll give you access to a link where you can go and get a free landing page software, sales funnel software, which has its own autoresponder built-in. This has its own autoresponder built-in as well. I like this. It's really simple, drag and drop. So diagrammatically, this is what this looks like. And you can send it out, 24 hours from the previous email. You can have it set up so that it sends a welcome email with the link to your download for your book. And this is only 2 days, but I've got some here with 60 days set up. And it is so powerful. This is the leverage. This is how you build a long-term affiliate marketing business compared to these people that just send people direct to their affiliate link because they go there, they don't buy, and they're gone. This way you've got them in an email sequence where you can send them emails over and over again, send them new offers, whatever you want to do, give them more information and build that know, like and trust, because people buy from people they know, like and trust. Think about it yourself. So here's another sequence for a different list. As you can see, it's got a lot more in it. So it's got immediately here, immediately welcome goes out. Then follow up, honest, and the title is so important. As you can see, they're all linked. They go out a day after the previous one. How to fix what's going on upstairs, and your title, all that is for another video. It's not, I don't have the time in this video to go through fully how to set this up. I mentioned Canva before. I'm here in Canva. This is where I made this slide here, and you can use it's really good. You can make thumbnails for your YouTube videos, whatever you want, whatever you could use Photoshop for, you can do this. So that's email marketing for beginners in 2021. And, you know, I hope I've gone through, you know, the importance, what is email marketing, the importance of it, how to do it correctly, you know, not spamming, and, you know, the types of software that you can use. Now, as I said, there'll be a link below where you can get a 30-day trial of Kartra if you want, up to you. And I did say that if you waited until the end, I'd tell you how you could get access to some free landing page software. Now, if you have a look up here in the top left-hand corner of the screen, in a moment there'll be a thumbnail which says lifetime membership. Because you can get lifetime membership, you don't need to enter a credit card. So when that comes up, click on that thumbnail. That'll take you to another video, and then go to the link in the description of that video. Click on that, and it'll take you through, and you'll be able to get your copy of the software for free. All right, now, if you've got value from this, it'd be great if you'd hit the subscribe button below, hit that blue bell, and you'll get notified every time I post videos. If you've got any comments, or if you've got any questions, anything you want to know, anything at all for that matter, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'm happy to answer them. I answer all these personally myself. All right, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.